While there's lots being planned to draw more tourists into the town centre, there are plenty of other attractions right on Wick's doorstep. The stunning landscape around the town has some of the best Iron Age remains in Scotland. Local teacher Chris is taking me to one of the sites. Chris, where am I?
So we're currently standing on top of Nibster Broch. And Nibster Broch is an Iron Age structure with a surrounding broch village. A broch is a circular stone building, and we can see one of the biggest in Caithness. Its prime purpose is very much up for debate. Some people originally thought it was a fortification. Other people thought it was a high-status domestic dwelling.
Now, you're not a professional archaeologist, are you?
No, no.
I'm curious, why are you interested in this?
I'm just a Caithness loon who is interested in Caithness archaeology and Caithness history.
I mean, there are economic issues for this area. Do you think archaeology could play a part in tourism?
Caithness is absolutely rich in archaeology. You can look on every corner of Caithness and find elements of history and archaeology, and we've just got to do our bit to kind of sell it. This dramatic landscape is not just rich in history, it's also a fantastic place to get some exercise. I've come to meet the Caithness Kayak Club at a loch a few miles from Wick. How important is that outdoor sports to the area?
I think it's very important because it gives people, and especially children, we've got quite a few junior members, the chance to get outdoors into the lovely countryside we have in Caithness. And we generally have about 30 to 40 paddlers on the water most weeks throughout the year.
So shall we go for it then?
Let's go for it.
OK. But before I'm let loose on the water, the guys are putting me through a safety drill.
Next time we do that, the boat's going to be on the water.
Oh, aye.
And we'll wade out with you a little bit. So it's going to be sort of roughly up to just maybe below your knees.
I don't want to sit with wet legs if I can avoid it.
Right, we'll get you down.
Now I'm going to do it for real. I'm in.
Is it warm? Straight on.
I don't feel it yet. No, it's not. It's not warm. I just knew I was going to get wet at some point.
Back of the cockpit, so a little bit to your right. Cool, you're there.
I'm like a professional.
You're floating.
Do you want me to do something?
Right hand in. That's it. Then left hand. There you go.
That's us. Do you feel quite stable, Ian?
Yeah.
Okay, Ian, we'll start paddling and I'll take your lead.
Here's my technique.
If you just twist your hand, drop your hand a wee bit more when you go to... That's it.
How's that for speed?
Good. We're leaving the ball behind. I'll turn us. Ian, if you keep paddling.
I'll get Nick going around. Am I the engine here, Gavin?
Yeah, that's the whole idea.
I think I was in second here. I thought I was going for a cruise, he told me.
So we're about 50 yards out from the shore now. Feel quite stable?
Very, yeah.
That's good.
How's my technique? We're getting there.
Yeah. It's like an armchair, this doubles. It's quite...
I could do a cocktail, maybe, or
a wee cocktail. Keep us going.
They've been in the tandem.
I'm sitting back here having a cocktail.
Yeah, you're having a cocktail, not me. This is great, by the way.
You enjoying it?
I like sports where I can participate.
Excellent. I'll tell you what, you're doing really well with the paddling.
Yeah. Don't get any ideas, I'm not joining them too far away. That's quite good. Only 650, listen to the sound.
It's lovely, isn't it?
We'll get the guys who'll be trying to catch up. Where are we heading now?
The wind has gone completely down now. The loch is almost flat.
You know what that means? Yeah.
What?
Midges.
Oh. That's my cue to get back to shore.